everyone. So I don't have anything new today in terms of DNA. That made a video for you guys yesterday, a replication. One extra video to explain it better, I feel, so you might as well. To show you a couple of games that I came with. The first one is this. I'm going to include a link to it in the classroom if you want to check it out while you are, or if you want to take a break from whatever you're working on. You know, this might be a good way to pass the time. I'm not sure if it works on your cell phone. I didn't try that. I've only done it on the computer. Just wait for it to load here. So basically what it is, you know how we talked about the four different, there's the A, C, G, and T. So basically this game is about matching up as many of them as you can. So remember that the A goes with the T, and the C goes with the G, and vice versa. And then you have to try to figure out what the organism is of the DNA that you put together. Come on, there we go. So DNA is in a double helix shape. We talked about that. And then these are the four base pairs that we were talking about. And like it says, A always pairs with T, C always pairs with G. So you have to make exact copies of a DNA molecule from 3 random organisms and figure out which ones they are. You're going to watch me be pretty terrible at this. Alright, click to start. So you can see that they're going to be coming up the sides here. I'm playing with on my laptop, so I don't know. Seems to be a lot harder using your laptop. So if you have a mouse, it's probably a lot easier. Oops. Come on. Doesn't help that my computer's being really slow right now, too. And you want to try to match up as many as you can here. Oops. Oh my gosh. Come on. T, A, T, C, T, G, A, G, come on, C, C, T, oh, forgetting about this side, G, G, A, come on, A, T, G, C, G, C, G, T. Come on, why aren't you matching up? C, A, C, G, T, A, G, T, A. Oops. T. Come on. G, C, A, T A C G G A C T G C G C. I think this is actually the best I've ever done at this. I don't think I've ever gotten all of them before. Come on. You can also see that the numbers here are all counting up here. We're going to be using that in a minute here, as soon as it finishes going through everything. So 0 mutations and 0 mutations. You can get up to 3 whatever. Got 200 bonus points, that's pretty good. Yeah, this is definitely the best I've ever done at this. So there are my 2 new DNA strands. And now we need to figure out which one of these animals it belongs to. So they have like different clues in the write-ups here that'll match up to these numbers here. So for example, for this mosquito, there's 13,700 genes. Here there's 25,000. So I know it's not that one. Click on the mouse. There are 22,000. Again, 25,000. That's not it. Here it's talking about 16 chromosomes. Here we only have 5. So that's not it. 22.7 million base pairs. Here we have 125 million, so no. 500 base pairs, so it's not that one. 4.4 million base pairs, doesn't match up. But here we have 25,000 genes on 5 chromosomes. We have 5 chromosomes, 25,000 genes, so it must be that. You're right, you get some bonus points. And then you can do the same thing for other ones, and yeah. So that's one game that you can do. There's another one here. This one I couldn't really understand completely. So if you guys can figure it out, please let me know. Okay, so let's play. This one is more, it's like you have to match up the different colors with the proper, like match up the colors with each other. Yeah, I feel like this one's going to be even slower. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, it's loading really slowly, but I'll put a link to it on the classroom website, and you guys can play with that one too if you want. This one, it's got like a whole story mode about humans like trying to move back to Earth, and they're trying to like, I think they're trying to alter their DNA in a way that we can survive on this new Earth, because we had to leave because of all the bad things that we did on the planet. So yeah, I'm gonna put a link to that as well. One more thing is I made this thing called a Flipgrid for our class. I'm going to put a link to that in the classroom as well. It is just a way for you, like you can make these short videos and send them to me. I don't know if they just go to me or if they go to the whole class. I'm really new at using this tool, so I just thought it'd be fun to try out, see what happens. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. But yeah, I'm going to put a link to that. And you can also download it as an app and record your videos that way. One more thing, on the classroom website, I'm going to put my email address there. I don't have a WSD1 email, so I'm just going to put my own email address on there, and feel free to email me anytime. But otherwise, hope you guys well, and speak to you soon.